Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet, and I'm back with another quick unboxing video. This time it's a moon phase chronograph quartz watch. But before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will help the channel to grow and I will be able to get more watches for you. Just to let you know what exactly we are going to cover in this video. First, we will do the unboxing of the watch. Then we will discuss about the first impression of the watch. Then we will talk about the measurement of the watch. After that, we will check how exactly this watch looks on our wrist. And then finally, I'll try to tell you the source of inspiration of this watch. First, it's a wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Tevis model number T867A. And recently I made an unboxing video of this watch. I will leave the video link in the description and you can find the link of the video on the top right corner of this video. Our today's watch came in this unmarked black box. Without any further delay, let's open the box. We can see the attraction of this show, a shiny watch which is wrapped in a plastic cover, and then we can see a small tool. I believe it is provided to size the bracelet. Apart from that, I don't see anything else. So let's keep them aside and focus on the watch. First, we need to remove the watch from the plastic cover. And here is the watch. As you can see, the watch is from manufacturer named Binbond, and the model number of the watch is B0161. Now let's first quickly remove this plastic or unwrap this watch. Wow, that's a great looking watch. It has a shiny case and it looks premium for the price I paid. The model number of the watch is B0161. And I can see a lot of complication on this watch. First, it has a moon phase indicator. That's a very nice thing. And it also shows the time in 24 hours format. Then we can see two more subdials, which more like chronograph. And surprisingly, it has a date complication at 4:30. Well, that is a lot of things for this little price. Now let's move to the style of this watch. Well, it seems to be a sports watch, which means you can wear it to school, college parties, offices, meeting, family get-together, and at many more places. Well, there seems to be lume applied on the hands as well as on the indices. It has a waffle pattern on the dial, which makes it look more premium. And at the 12 o'clock, we can see the manufacturer name printed. And it also mentioned type of movement powering this watch, which is quartz. The octagonal bezel has a unique characteristic on this watch. And on the right hand side, we have a guarded crown, which is also in octagonal shape. That's very nice. And then we have two push buttons. The bracelet seems to be integrated and it seems to be made of stainless steel, but at the same time it seems to be hollow. Yeah, it seems to be hollow. And then we have a butterfly clasp, which is okay. Oh, it has a scare, which means that it can only be closed in one direction. Then we have case back, which is also made of stainless steel. It has mentioned about the brand name, and then it also mentioned about the water resistance, which is 30 meter or 100 feet. Well, that's pretty much standard. Now let's talk about the measurement of the watch. Uh, to be clear, I haven't measured it by myself. I'm just sharing with you guys whatever I have seen on the seller's website. So according to the seller's website, the diameter of the dial is around 42 mm. The lug-to-lug width is around 25 mm, although it has an integrated bracelet. And the case thickness is around 11.8 mm thick. And the lug-to-lug length is around 48 mm. Window crystal is made of mineral and it is flat. Now there are around total 6 hands. As you can see, one is for hour, one is for a minute, and one is for second. Apart from that, there are 3 hands. Means there are 3 more hands on these subdials. It's time to check how it will look on the wrist. Well, here it is on my 6.5 inches wrist, and as usual I need to remove a few links. Well, I must say, even if you have a bigger wrist, then still you can enjoy this watch. Well, the final part. From which watch this watch design is inspired? Well, I believe many of you must have guessed by now. If you haven't, then the answer is AP Royal Oak Chronograph. That is all for now, and I will try to create a full review video of this watch after using it for some time. Thank you for joining me on this quick unboxing of Binbond B0161. If you really enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy watch collecting!